Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're gonna unbox this Feiss Maison de Ville One Light British brand's scone. It uses a A19 bulb and it's not included, but that gives you the opportunity to buy an LED light bulb. It uses up to 100 watts. That's what it says on the description. But let's take a look at what's inside. So it is a nice color bronze. It does say here it's up to 100 watt max bulb. Here is the hardware. So you could put it on your wall. Instructions. Hardware. And it comes in different bags separated. So you know what goes where. Oh look, it comes with spare parts. So let's take a look at one of these. It's gonna take some time for you to install it because you gotta put it together. But I'm sure once you put it up, it'll look nice. Just because the way it looks here. So this is basically what it's gonna look like. Like that. So this piece is gonna hang from these pieces. So they're just gonna hang from one end, and you can see the little holes. Those little holes go around. And there are small holes here as well. This is where one of those little balls are gonna hang. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory on how to put it up there. It's just gonna take you a little bit of time for you to put in these little details. This is how you're gonna install it on your wall. And I do like that they have the spare parts. And let's take a look at what's inside. Oh look, it looks very nice. See? So little by little you can put this light together. So it tells you 1A has 4 pieces, 1B has 8 pieces, 2 has 12 pieces, 3 pieces, and then 1 piece. It doesn't say where. Oh well, 1 goes here, 2. Yeah, might as well just little by little, just put it together. And I would suggest for you to wear gloves, because the small crystals get dirty pretty fast, especially with our hands that have a small amount of oil. It looks very nice, I like it. So there it is. I hope you have some time and patience to put it together. Thank you for watching and enjoy.